Hey everybody, it's Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today we're going to organize a little bit. I have DVDs, okay? I don't have a whole collection. I used to buy DVDs. I got rid of all the DVDs. But I do have TV show DVDs, okay? I have South Park, all of them. Curb Your Enthusiasm, all of them. Seinfeld, all of them. And Sunny in Philadelphia, all of them. And I do that because I watch them before I go to bed. I have it playing. I fall asleep to them. I've been doing it probably for 30 years. As far as back as South Park, it's like 28 seasons. Anyway, but it's kind of a mess how, you know, DVDs, like if you have 26 seasons, you have like this many DVDs. So here, let me show you what it looks like now, and then we're going to organize it a little better, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, so I'll show you what it... Say hi, Jimmy. Say hi to Jaws, signed by Richard Dreyfuss. Okay. Anyway, all right. So here's the drawer of DVDs. You know, we have South Park, we have Curb, we have Sunny in Philadelphia, and we have Seinfeld. Now these things are a nightmare. These things, they're hard to get to. They get stuck. It's just terrible. So we're gonna try to organize them using those. Remember those old time CD holders? Here, I'll show you. I bought one because I want to check it out and see how it goes. I'm watching Below Deck as I do this. But this kind of thing here, just a regular old, this one holds 96, so I'm hoping I can get Seinfeld and Curb. And this is what it comes in. From that to this. It just makes it so much easier. It'll condense it down so that drawer will just have maybe 2 or 3 of these books, which I got on Amazon for, I forget, like, I'll look it up before the video is over and I'll let you know how much I paid, but it wasn't a lot. And it'll protect them too. But I'm looking to, I can throw all those boxes away. Less stuff in my house, which I love, because that drawer drives me crazy. Anyway, I'll get some of it done and then we'll look at the progress. All right, let's go finish this decluttering this DVD collection drawer. I was waiting because I had to order a couple more of these holders here. Let's take a look before and after and see how much I was able to downsize. I didn't get rid of any DVDs, just a lot of the clutter and packaging and all that kind of stuff. Let's go take a look. Okay, let's see the final results of the decluttering and organizing the DVD drawer. Isn't that so much better? They're all labeled. I know what's what. I can open it, go right to certain seasons. And this is what is all the nonsense. All the packaging, all the clutter, all the advertisements. Look at all that. Isn't that crazy? And I did not get rid of any DVDs. I just decluttered all the nonsense. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I feel so much better. I feel so much lighter. All that crap out of my house. I love it. You guys have a great day.